He looks older.
Especially he set it up.
Yeah, I thought you put the hat on.
Watch out for your brother.
This guy is harder, better than me, but I'm winning.
Asher, you're gonna get hit.
Lucky man, chunky, lucky